up, boo? So yeah, y'all, today we finna try the motherfucking some touchdown wing, try some whitening fish with some fries, some coleslaw, hush puppies. So we gonna see what's up. Period. Period, boo. What's up, y'all? What's up, boo? What's up, boo? Alright, so now we finna now welcome to, hey, Daily Munches with T, Cooking with Billy, like, period. But the name, I'm finna change the name on TikTok. It will be Cooking with Billy, whatever. But my YouTube is Daily Munches with T. Y'all gotta go check that out, period, boo. So let's get to it. I went to Touchdown Wings today, period. Let me show y'all what I got. Hold on. Girl, they got a little coleslaw. Let's see. Got the ketchup, all that. Oh. Damn, everybody named I'm wanna pull the fuck up. Like, so I had got a two-piece whitening combo. That come with hush puppy fries, coleslaw. I don't do tilapia, no. And I got their hot sauce that they got, so we gonna see y'all. We gonna see what the fuck you do. What's up, boo? What's up, boo? Oh, let me, a little, let me get comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Let me scoot up for y'all, cause I feel like a bitch just ain't. I need to bring my seat up, bitch. I need to, hold up. Okay. So let's see. I don't like how the steering will be all up in the way. Like, if I could have this shit sit like that. All right. Oh shit. I forgot the fucking music was playing. Cause I was gonna download this to my motherfucking YouTube. Oh my god. Anyway, y'all. Okay. So right here we have the whitening with the hush puppies. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me put it right down. With the hush puppies, we got the fries. Oh my god, fuck. You see it? Yeah. So let's see what it's hitting for, y'all. We're gonna try hush puppy first. Okay, shit. Okay, I mean, hey. They doing it, y'all. Them hush puppy good. They're real good. Now I'm putting my little ketchup on my fries. You already know. Let me get my shit together. Period. You already know. You set yourself up first. Already know. So everything going good. I just need to, some more followers, more likes, more subscribes. What's up, boo? Shit, the fuck. Oh, bitch, this shit high fuck. Oh. They said it's their hot sauce. The fuck? We're gonna put a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna try a little bit, cause this shit smell like it got damn sriracha water and fucking peppers in it. The fuck? Y'all see me? Ooh. Bitch, I need to put some AC on. Hold on, cause bitch, it ain't no way. Cause this heat is booming through this motherfucker. Do you hear me? This shit is booming. This shit is booming through. Do you hear me? I don't know. It got a little crazy smell to it. I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. It's hot. I don't know, y'all. don't know about that hot sauce. Bitch, I should have just brought my own. Now I'm finna try their tartar sauce with it. It ain't pretty bad. It ain't bad. Not bad. Ain't bad. Ooh, there I can see it. Ooh. Fuck. Oh. Fries is busting. Oh. Girl, fuck that. Hold on. The fuck? Alright, so let's try. We're gonna try the coleslaw. Okay, we're gonna try the coleslaw now. Look at this shit. They know they could have filled that shit up. Do you see that? Oh yeah, I got my hands done today too. Real pretty, really light. No, I'm not married. None of that. I don't even know what hand that shit's supposed to be on anyway. So let's try the coleslaw, okay? Let's try, y'all. What I'm gonna need them to start doing, putting that motherfucking ginger up here like that shit cute. That shit ain't fucking cute. Girl, I don't need that they coleslaw. You hear me? I don't, boo. Hell the fuck don't. Yes, I definitely want y'all to subscribe to my I'm gonna save my mom some of this fish because I know she gonna want a piece. But I don't want to put too much hot sauce. This shit right here gonna have her goddamn ass burning. You hear me? They coleslaw. I mean, it's. Now you feel what I'm saying? Like fuck. I don't know, bitch. No tea, no shade. I don't know. I don't know about that. I'm gonna try some more fish though. That. I don't know what the fuck going on. Like, maybe it's an Asian thing. I don't fucking know. But the hot sauce can stay the fuck at home or wherever the fuck they made it at. Girl, give me some Frank. Fuck that shit. So I could have took my ass to fucking JJ's. And I'm like, you know? Let me let y'all see. Y'all see that? Big, nice pieces of fish and stuff. Let me see. There you go. So we're gonna be back on with another one.